What if I told you that successful investing isn't about guessing, hype, or luck? After years in the market, I've learned that the biggest investing wins come from simple rules, discipline, and data-driven decisions, not emotions. In this video, I'm breaking down my biggest investing secrets, the same principles I use every day, and how tools and software help remove the guesswork. Let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is trying to predict the market. I don't try to guess tops or bottom. Instead, I let price, trend, and data tell the story. Using software and charts, I focus on what the market is doing right now, not what I hope it will do. When you react to confirmed data instead of opinions, you eliminate emotional decisions, and emotions are what destroy portfolios. Here's the truth most people don't like hearing. You don't get rich by hitting home runs. You get rich by not blowing up your account. Every trade or investment I make has defined risk. I know my entry, my exit, and my maximum loss before I click buy. The software I use helps visualize risk, probability, and key levels, so I'm never guessing. Small losses are part of the game. Uncontrolled losses are not. Retail investors often chase hype from Twitter, YouTube, or group chats. Instead, I focus on capital adequacy, flowing volume, momentum, institutional behavior, and market structure. Using advanced tools, I track confirmation, not noise. When big money moves, price follows, and that's where the real opportunities are. The more complex your strategy, the harder it is to repeat. My edge comes from simple, repeatable systems that work across different markets, stocks, options, and even crypto. Software helps automate the heavy lifting, identifying trends, spotting key levels, managing risk, filtering bad trades. The goal isn't to trade more, it's to trade better. These investing secrets aren't flashy, but they work. Success comes from discipline, data, and consistency, not hype or shortcuts. Drop a comment below which of these secrets surprised you the most, and if you want to see how I use software, visuals, and real data to make smarter investing decisions, make sure you're subscribed and following along. More breakdowns coming soon. Stay focused and stay disciplined.